Someone help me! I can't survive this storm! Please save me!
Please, God, help me! I'm so scared.
Someone, anyone, I know you exist.
Your prayer has been answered.
I am here to help. Take my hand. Don't be afraid.
Are you God?
He never spoke a word. He didn't have to. Hope arrived.
They pray to the heavens for a sign, for a savior. But faith needs a face.
It's him! It's Red Flare!
REDFLARE Man. Man, he's real.